tonight's contest uploaded there onto our page. So again, go to facebook.com, search for the Waikiki Shopping Plaza, become a fan of ours, and you can have access to the video footage of tonight's epic battle, along with some previous contests as well. Something you're going to have to drink up and swallow as well. Steve using the dump method, and looks like it's helping out there as he is now onto the soft taco. He's got about half a taco deficit to make up as Edward has a slight lead here. Again, all these great restaurants providing us with the food for tonight's contest are located right downstairs in our food court. We had Aqua Cafe, Arby's, Taco Bell, machine method. He's shaking up that food and obliterating it to pieces in his mouth, hoping that it just slides down the gullet that much easier. One thing about Steve is he's got heart, man. He's always putting everything behind him. And just like that.
I think he was a little full before the contest too, yeah?
Yeah, Steve was having a little trouble in the beginning, but he is on a roll now, picking up the pace as he's got probably a half a personal pan pizza deficit to make up. Edward's got a one slice lead here on Steve.
And he also has 100 reasons why he should win this contest today.
That's right. There's the
$100 in cash, $250.
This is to prove that we are actually going to give the winner the $100 in cash. We weren't just making that up.
Scoop of white rice, a scoop of corn, and a piece of barbecue chicken